Good day, MMM Philippines. I'm Abigail Dunyarba from Butuan City, Philippines. I provide help last December 5, 2015 in the amount of 7,000 as by mining light. Last December 9, 2015, I get help in the amount of 7,500 including my mining bonus. I would like to thank my provider, Miss Precioso Libres, to my 100 guiders, Mr. Manuel Esteves, to our MMM Global Founder, Mr. Sergi Magrodi, and especially to our Almighty God who are always there with us, guiding and protecting the MMM community. Once again, thank you very much.